Hi, this is Barbi Chan and I'm your makeup artist and I'm also one of your beauty ministers. So how do we do a wingtip liner? I must admit, even me, every time I see these models in the runway or in the magazine, I would always think, oh my god, I want to have that type of liner in my eyes, but I'm just scared on how should I start? How do I do it? I mean, what should I use? Should I use liquid, powder, or whatever? It's quite complicated, okay? But then, practice makes perfect. So, I will be showing you on how to do it and using two types, the liquid liner and the gel liner. Let's start with the liquid liner. I'll be using the Maybelline Impact Express because it's very easy to use and it's very important because if you look at the tip, it has to be a hard tip so that you won't have a hard time doing the liner and doing it very precisely. Here. So, one thing you should remember is when drawing this kind of liner, you have to imagine that the lower lid, okay, here, is extending up. So, this is like your guide. This will be the ending or your basis when you draw the liner. So, extend up, and then that's it. And then, we start drawing now. We normally start in the center. Once I drew like the basis and the framework, it's like a coloring thing. So it's up to me whether I want it really extended or I want it short and sweet. But for this, okay, we made it a little bit extended. So there. So imagine that this is extending here, okay, that the skin here is extending upward. So that would be your basis. Or some people, they use some guides like a tissue to guide them, okay, to make sure that it is really straight. But if you do this technique, you won't even need it. There. So this is the liquid liner. Here for the gel, yeah, like what we did with the other side, you extend it and then with the brush close and then color. Normally you cannot avoid if there are some kalat on the side, okay? That's why it's very important to have a Q-tip. Okay, I'm using now this super awesome, cool micro precision tips from Nippon Aesthetics. Okay, this is so cool because it's the first time I've seen something like this. Normally, a normal Q-tip is the normal size. This is really perfect for this type of eyeliner application. So what you can do is on the pointed end, just clean it like that upwards, okay, and then same thing on the other side. And to make sure that you have that perfectly shaped wings. There. So this is our look. Gel liner and then with a liquid liner. See you again on our next video. This is Barbi Chan. Be happy, stay pretty. Bye!